Dear graduates, please accept my sincere congratulations on successful completion of Master Program of the Graduate School of Management at St. Petersburg State University. Today, we welcome 124 new Masters in International Management, Corporate Finance and Public Management. My special respect goes to 17 of you with outstanding excellence diploma. This year is very special for all of us. The school is celebrating its 25th anniversary. It is an important milestone. We reached it with achievements we can be truly proud of. The school has secured its status as a recognized national leader in business education. Moreover, year by year, it has progressively improved its international standings, and now it aims to enter top 50 European business schools. Our Master in Management program has recently climbed as high as to 23rd place globally in the Financial Times ranking. That all means your diploma has a solid mark of quality. Dear friends, these days we all enjoy the amazing FIFA World Cup tournament in Russia. Sports can teach us many good lessons. First and foremost, never give up. Young and motivated teams can beat world-renowned opponents. Mind that only great battles and hard work deliver new names in each sphere of life. Business today is changing at a breathtaking pace. However, we should remember that the core things about management remain unchanged. Among them, teamwork, communications, commitment, ability to inspire people, to name just a few. I am convinced that those of you who master these soft skills, combined with the hard ones confirmed with your diploma, will undoubtedly succeed. Last but not least, today you are joining being alumni and family of the Graduate School of Management. I encourage you to stay connected with your alma mater and form lasting long relationship which enrich you both personally and professionally. Dear graduates, on behalf of the school's directors, the Board of Trustees, corporate partners, and myself, I congratulate you, your parents, and the faculty with a much-deserved graduation. I wish you outstanding career achievements and serious professional challenges that would further shape your character. All the best for your future. Happy graduations.